Hey guys, welcome to our Armour PRO Quartz Coating video. In this video, we'll be introducing you to the ultimate solution for vehicle protection, Armour PRO. This product is the epitome of high-performance protective coatings, delivering unparalleled protection in only a single layer. One thing to note right off the bat, Armour PRO is a true professional level ceramic coating available to consumers. However, it does require a brief vetting process to ensure you're ready for this level of coating and ensure that you have the best application experience during your time using it. This brief vetting process will be a phone call with one of our team members to go over your experience level, application instructions, and all the subtle nuances of the coating application and aftercare to ensure that you have the best experience with this product. Armour PRO is a true high solid ceramic coating featuring an 87% SiO2 content level at a 99.9% purity level, delivering true hard curing protection for your vehicle. Armour PRO is the big brother to our standard Armour Quartz ceramic coating. It features a stronger chemical bond to the substrate, a higher and thicker film build, as well as higher pH resistance from 0 to 13 pH. The exceptional slickness of the surface helps repel dirt, making maintenance a breeze and keeping your vehicle cleaner for longer. With real-world protection of 5+ years, Armour PRO Quartz Coating delivers an unparalleled solution for protecting and enhancing your vehicle. So what's included with your Armour PRO Quartz Coating kit? You receive 30 ml of our Armour PRO Coating, a large microfiber saver applicator, and a how-to direction card which goes over everything from preparation, application, and aftercare for the coating. The reason it comes in a 30 ml bottle is if you don't use this after 7 days of opening, it will start to cure in the bottle and provide a very unsatisfactory result in hard application. Same thing with the applicator pads. We do only provide one in the box. However, you may need 2 of these to complete a whole vehicle. So you're ready to apply Armour PRO Coating. Prep is going to be the most important part of the process, so ensure this is done properly. Our coating may be great, but it can't do the preparation for you. Decontaminate the surface with our decontamination shampoo and iron remover. Follow up with a mechanical decontamination step with either a clay bar or synthetic clay mitt. Once you're done, inspect the paint for any swirls, scratches that you may need to remove. Polish the surface if necessary, then use our panel prep to remove polishing oils or any oils that may interfere with the coating bonding to the surface. You are now ready to apply Armour PRO Quartz Coating. After thorough prep, prime the applicator with 3 lines to start, and each subsequent application will only need a small amount. Apply Armour PRO Coating 1 panel at a time. Apply using a methodical back and forth or crosshatch motion, making sure to have even coverage. Allow the product to set up for 1 to 3 minutes from initial application, depending on temperature and humidity. Look for uniform small sweat beads or light hazing to appear before removing. In a small circular motion, level the coating. The first wipe will have a slight grab to it, but the product should be picked up fairly easily. If the coating begins to smear, it needs additional time to set up. If the product is very hard to remove, it needs less time before removal. Switch to a second towel for final leveling. Check for any streaks or high spots which can appear as cloudy or dark spots. Repeat the process per panel. While using Armour PRO, you will need to switch sides of the applicator every 2 to 4 panels. The coating is so concentrated that it starts to harden in the applicator and will provide unsatisfactory results and possibly scratch your vehicle. Use a fresh side of your towels every panel. You may need 2 first wipe towels while using Armour PRO, as it is harder to remove than our standard Armour coating. Armour PRO was originally designed as a single layer application only. However, if you decide to, you can apply our standard Armour ceramic coating on top of Armour PRO. This will further benefit you with better water beading, higher chemical resistance, and a longer durability. If you choose to layer our Armour ceramic coating on top of Armour PRO, please allow 1 hour between applications. Allow the product to sit for 12 hours minimum before getting wet, and then 7 days for any chemicals or washing the vehicle. As you can see, Armour PRO is not your average ceramic coating. This top-of-the-line formula makes it the ideal choice for drivers looking to take their vehicle protection to the next level. If you're interested in purchasing this product, please fill out the contact form on our website to gain an approved account and have a brief vetting process with one of our product specialists. Stay safe and happy driving.